Welcome back to the Teaching Friends podcast, where every story takes you somewhere magical. Today, I want to tell you a wonderful adventure that begins in a bright little classroom on a sunny morning. In that classroom, there was a student named Mira. One day, she walked in carrying something very strange, a backpack that was glowing. Yes, glowing, like it was covered in tiny stars. Her classmates couldn't stop staring. Everyone wondered why the backpack shimmered as if it had a secret inside it. Mira didn't know either. All she had was a little note she found inside the backpack that morning. It said, "Only the curious will discover the wonders inside." That message alone made her whole class feel excited, as if something magical was about to happen. As the children settled into their seats, the glowing backpack suddenly wiggled. It didn't move a lot, just a tiny shake, but enough that everyone noticed. Something was definitely inside it. When the teacher began the lesson, Mira quietly opened the backpack just a little to peek inside. And something very surprising happened. A tiny hummingbird popped out and flew in a fast, sparkling circle above the desks. It was the smallest bird the children had ever seen, glowing softly like a piece of sunlight. Now, you might imagine everyone screamed or jumped, but actually, they were too amazed to move. The hummingbird hovered gently and looked around as if searching for something important. Even the teacher was speechless for a moment, surprised but curious. The mystery deepened when the students realized that the bird had come for a purpose. It had traveled from a magical forest far away, a forest that was quietly fading. The trees were losing their leaves, the flowers were losing their colors, and the river that once sparkled had become dry and weak. The forest needed help, and strangely enough, it needed help from children. The tiny hummingbird carried 3 special seeds inside the glowing backpack. Each seed had a magical power, and each one needed to be saved before the forest could grow strong again. The first seed was green, and it represented clean air. The hummingbird explained, through its soft, glowing movements and gentle behavior, that trees help the world breathe. When too many trees are cut, the air becomes dirty and the sky becomes sad. But when even one new tree is planted, the world becomes a little healthier. This magical green seed symbolized the power of planting and protecting trees. The second seed was blue. It represented clean water. The magical river in the forest had become dry because people threw trash into it and didn't take care of it. This seed reminded the children that every river, every pond, and every tiny stream needs to be protected. Rivers help animals, plants, and people. When water is clean, life grows everywhere. The blue seed showed the importance of keeping Earth's water fresh and safe. And the third and final seed was golden. It shone more brightly than the others and seemed warm to the touch. This seed represented kindness. The forest